walang magagawa. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, mag-unbox ako ng aking bags. What inside? Of course, reading glasses. What inside? Of course, my lipsticks. My lipstick, only one. I use this one for carbon. What? And this is match. The third one is, of course, my purse. What inside my purse? Da-da-da. My IDs. And inside, Mapi money, Mapi Pulus. Only 500 years, huh? Saudi Arabia money. 50 plus. That is a 50 plus, like this 5 real. In the Bahraini is 50 plus. That is only my money. Miskina. Then what else? Of course, my mobile, extra mobile, the important things. Then what inside? Coins pocket. If you have coin, you put here. Calculate, I like it. And of course, we got a hand lotion. And what else? Of course, if you got a headache, you have a medicine. This one for the headache, and this one if chest pain sometimes I'm not okay, I take this. But what inside? Of course, my watch. And what inside? But of course, sanitizer. We don't forget anywhere. But medicine. And what else? Open the packet. There is one packet here. So these bags are lots of. Then of course we don't forget for sunglasses. We need sunglasses. For now it's hot and outside. And mostly don't forget your underwear, disposable, because sometimes emergency. And but if you want more sunglasses, I have 2 sunglasses. And also this one, if you go to the Barada, I got something. Yeah, I give 1 dinar 600, so I keep here. If I go to Barada, I pay it later. Bas, alright, that's all. I'll return back. Thank you for watching.